brand new water-fed pole, a Gardiner Extreme 25 foot with the Tucker over the top rinse bar with the Unger hydropower system. Look at that. The cool thing about it is that it doesn't have resin inside of the tank like this. It actually has resin bags inside of the resin bags, like 2 big resin bags, and that's cool because you could replace it and fix it easily. So we're gonna hook this up and use it for the first time today. This thing is super light, dude. Like, it literally weighs as much as, it weighs nothing. I could do this for an hour. So this is a carbon fiber pole with a rinse bar over the top. I'll show you. Let's get to cleaning some windows, man. I like how it has these little ports and stuff, and you can hook it up quick. Yeah, dog. And I got all this from Detroit Sponge. Detroit Sponge. In Wixom, Michigan. They ship all over the United States. Oh my god, this is so crispy. I think we have to roll the slow-mo B-roll footage. Okay, I'm done playing around. Gotta get back to cleaning these windows, man. Man, sorry about the wind noise. The little muffy muff fell off the top of the camera. Hi there, I'm Keith with Kalfas Window Cleaning in Shelby Township and Macomb Township. If you need your windows cleaned, check us out. We will clean your windows. We will make them look fantastic. I'm smiling because I'm happy, and I want to clean your windows. We want to clean your windows. So click the link in the description below to get free screen cleaning if you're a first-time customer. What up, now? Let me pause. Gary Vaynerchuk's crushing it. Okay, good news for starting your own business. Now's the time, man. We're cleaning windows today. Yeah. Yeah, dog. If you just show up and do what you say you're gonna do when you say you're gonna do it, you can get pretty far pretty fast. It's astounding to me how many people don't have their shit together to the point where they can't even have the integrity to just show up when they say they're gonna show up. So this house is, I raised the prices from $199 to clean all the windows inside and out, plus all screens cleaned and sills wiped down, to now it's $249. So I raised it by 50 bucks, and I'm gonna keep trying to get it up there to as much as possible, of course. But the lady was so happy, she was like shaking my hand, and she's like, what's going on? She said that she had called like 5 different window cleaners in the local area and went on all their websites, and she liked our website the best and our reviews the best. And just off having a nice website and positive reviews, and what would it look like if you just kept doing that? Alright, so we left that job cleaning windows. I was sitting at the kitchen table with the customers and my clipboard collecting the check. I said, will this be cash, check, or credit? I said, now I'm gonna do my script. I said, thank you so much for your business, Mrs. Jones. Our business survives and thrives off of positive reviews on Google. Would you mind giving a well-worded positive review? And then they literally just started all laughing at the table because it was obviously like a script. But anyways, and then I asked the customer for, would you mind doing a quick video testimonial? Can I record you on video? They're like, no thanks. So I actually got this like old couple to let me do a video review of them one time. Testimonial. So I sat them on their couch, and I brought a tripod in their house with a camera, and I videotaped them, and it was really funny. If they sign the waiver and they do it, that'd be cool. Imagine a window cleaning website where you've got like testimonials and then videos of real customers saying, oh, I love Skippy's window cleaning. They did such a good job. And they're sitting there drooling on themselves. So here I'm going to Randazzo's Marketplace for lunch, and they've got this hot like deli with all this delicious food, man. It's delicious. I don't want no Subway or no pizza. I want some delicious gourmet food for lunch, man. Look at this. So the problem is, although I got delicious wild Alaskan salmon baked with lemon and seasoning, baked Brussels sprouts and all that stuff, it was $14.83. 15 bucks. So if you eat lunch for 15 bucks a day and you don't bring it, how much would that cost a month if you work 26 days a month? I don't know. But if you're making it, who cares? Can you hear the wind right now? I don't know, I'll be able to tell while editing. I've got this shotgun mic. I'm actually recording on the Canon 80D with the 10 to 18 lens and the Takstar SGC 598 shotgun mic, but I wonder if it's really windy out here, so